Hi everyone, welcome to part 30 of the design tutorial series. Today our main focus will be on how to add the lighting fixtures to the office model we've been creating over the past few videos. Alright, so in our previous tutorial we've looked at how to create walls, create windows, create doors, create floor. We went on to add sanitary appliances and also um, I connected them to water supply pipes and drainage pipes, and thereafter we created the HVAC system, which include the air terminals, the ducting system, and the condensing and the fan coil unit, or rather the ceiling console unit. So today we are more like switching over to adding electrical components. So all this while we've been on the HVAC um, workspace because we just finished from the creating of HVAC system. So for us to add electrical items, we need to go to the electrical workspace. So click on the electrical workspace. You see that the ribbon will change. The ribbon will change to reflect um, electric what you need for electrical um, services. All right. So for us to add light, go to tools under the drop down, click on the drop down, click, you see a whole lot of options here. So let's pick this 600 by 600 light here. So pick this particular light, and once you've picked it, you click outside. So I'm going to install it, fix it at the center here, and they're asking for angular rotation. I'll just put 0 and that will be fine. So we've created the first lighting fixture for one of the offices. So let's check the elevation of this light. So click on the light and type PR, type enter, PR on the keyboard. PR. You realize that the right, since we have not selected the light, so let's go back to, let's select the light. Okay, we've been able to select the light. So you see that the elevation of the light is 0. So ideally we are supposed to have the light attached to the ceiling, and our ceiling level is 3 meters. So we're going to change this 0 to 3 meters, which is 3000 millimeters. Remember, we've been working on the metric unit. So metric units, you have 3000 millimeter equals to 1 meter to 3 meters. Okay, so enter, cancel, close. So we're going to copy this light. Click on the light and type CO on the keyboard. Enter. Let's copy it. Turn on the auto mode so that you can place the light on well aligned. So I'm going to place this light here, this particular office. Then go on to place another one here. Then for this office, same thing here. So I'll place one here. Right. So I'm going to place two here for this particular office. Place one here. Place one here. For the toilet, I'm going to place one here. And again, for you to actually know the number of light you need per space, you need to follow some codes and standard. Maybe for to get yourself acquainted with the ASHRAE standard for internal lighting, you get yourself acquainted with British standard for internal and external lighting, so that you would be able to calculate the number of light. But for today, we are just creating the light and placing them. So you'll be able to, at the end of this class, I believe you should be able to create and place lighting fixtures on your building model. All right, so our tutorial for today ends here. Don't forget to like and share my video. Also subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified when a new video comes up.